Okay, so you're gonna stick this in the oven for until you see it's melted on 200. Hey guys, welcome back to Faraday TV with another DIY. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make custom crayons. These crayons are perfect if you have kids of your own, or if you're a teacher or know somebody that has kids to give as a gift. To start, you're gonna need crayons, any colors you wanna use. I decided to use blue for this video, so I pulled out all the blue out of the 2 boxes that I had. Next, you're gonna take all the crayons you took out and unwrap each one. Once you've unwrapped all your crayons, go ahead and take a pair of scissors and cut each crayon down. As you're cutting your crayons down, make sure your crayons don't go flying like mine did. Once you've cut your crayons down, go ahead and fill any letters you want to make your custom name. Just make sure you're not putting 2 of the same color next to each other in the mold. You kind of want to mix them around a little bit. Some close friends of mine are having a baby and they refer to him as Baby J, so that's what I'm going to have my crayon say. Once you've filled all the letters needed for your custom name, put these on a baking sheet and put them in the oven at 300 degrees until you see them melted down. Once melted, remove from the oven and leave sitting out until hardened. You will need to then carefully remove these from your silicone mold. Finally, you have your custom-made crayons. I'll link everything I used in the video down in the description below. If you make these crayons at home, tag me at FaradayTV on Instagram so I can see you make something great. Also, I'm going to start listing the things needed for the following week's video in the description below, so if you want to order it beforehand and follow along, you can. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so you're gonna stick this in the oven for until you see it's melted on 200. Once done, it'll look something like this. Once done, it'll look something like this. Oh.